One of the things that Deskera's Human Resource Management System, or HRMS, can do is help your HR managers generate, authorize, and process your employees' payroll. Once payroll is processed, which is usually every month, your HR managers will be able to seamlessly transfer this information to Deskera's ERP system for bookkeeping purposes. First, let's make sure to turn on the setting which enables integration between the two systems. That setting is found within HRMS since it's where payroll data originates. Click on the Master Configuration icon. Navigate to the section called Integration with Other Deskera Applications and make sure that Accounting Integration is checked. You then need to define how the payroll data gets synchronized. Every payroll amount belongs to a specific payroll component, which can be mapped to any general ledger or GL account in the ERP system, so that upon synchronization, the amount will show up in the appropriate GL account. Go to the Module Configuration tab, look for the section called GL Account Setting, and click on Component and GL Account Mapping. In this window, the leftmost column shows unmapped payroll components, and the rightmost column shows available GL accounts which you can map those components to. The three columns in between show components which have already been mapped to a credit GL account and to a debit GL account, in a 1:1 relationship for every row. Create a new mapping by dragging an unmapped component such as basic pay and dropping it into this column, and then drag the corresponding GL accounts in which to credit to and debit from, and drop them onto these columns. So in this example, whenever you synchronize a processed payroll whereby employees receive their basic pay, your financial books in the ERP system will reflect every basic pay account as being credited to this account and debited from this account. If you want to change the mapping of, let's say, the commission component, you first remove its mapping by dragging and dropping either the component or GL accounts away from their respective columns, and then create a new mapping as per normal. Save your new mappings, and when you're back to this tab, click Save again. Let's assume that we have a payroll that's already been generated and authorized, and now it's waiting to be processed. Your HR manager can initiate the synchronization process by clicking on the Process Payroll button. You can either synchronize all employees or selected employees to the ERP system. On the ERP system, your finance team can now access the synchronized payroll data in the form of journal entries. As you can see, your payroll data are now journal entries for your bookkeeping, and they come with this system-generated memo that will help your finance team trace its origin back to the HRMS payroll. These journal entries can still be edited or deleted if necessary. Do note that salary journal entries can still be created from within Deskera's ERP system, but thanks to its integration with Deskera HRMS, you can bypass that extra step, as well as reduce clerical errors so that data remains consistent throughout both systems.